Yeah, hello there. So this is my next project, or my first project, or one of my mini projects. This truck here is a 1986 Kenworth W900. Has a 3406 cat, 18 speed, and it's currently on 4-spring. This truck was bought in 1986, brand new, by a friend of mine, and he has it. It was a log truck. Yeah, he bought it, and then he sold it like in the mid 90s, I want to say 94, 95ish, forget exactly. And then it's changed hands a couple times since then, and then I ended up buying it back a couple years ago, and I just want to fix it up because it's a cool truck and it brings back memories. Because like I said, my friend owned it, and when I was a kid I used to wash it because I couldn't drive it, so I got to wash it and help him clean it on the weekends. And it was the first log truck that I ever rode in, first log truck I ever got to drive, and first truck I drove, well, besides my dad's anyway. So yeah, so I want to waste a bunch of money and fix her up. I've already pulled the interior, so you can't, unfortunately, but yeah, has a little view of the inside. Has VIT interior. It's red or maroon, crimson. I pulled most of it out because there's a water leak, so just trying to, didn't want it to get any worse than it already was. And sorry it's a mess, because it's just a mess. This truck is in pretty rough shape. So it's my next, it's a 5-year plan. I'm hoping that I can get it done in this time. But yeah, has the original chrome air cleaners, and all the cab and hood, everything is original there, but a lot of other things have been changed. I'm gonna get the hood open. Alright, there we go. B model cat, air to air. Like I said, has the retarder, so it has the external oil filter. Has a Jake brake also, if I didn't mention that. The original engine was not air to air. This has been, I think they must have blown up the original one, unfortunately. I wish it was still in there. So they repowered it with a air to air cat. So, you know, I guess I'll just leave it that way. Has a Peterbilt air to air in it now. But anyway, yeah, that's that. Because I haven't done much to it. In the hood, I just haven't had much time. But I'm going to try to start making some time. This side. Here. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. We're going to just see if we can get this baby looking a little better than it does. Like I said, plans are to re-rail it as aluminum, and I can't remember where there's a crack in there. I can't remember. Anyway, maybe I can even start it for you, if you would like. Starts right up. Okay. Yeah, like I said, it's a pretty cool truck. It's in rough condition, but I think anything that's this old, it's pretty hard to find them totally original. Oh, and then back to the forgot to mention the paint scheme was designed by my friend when he painted. I think he had he owned a bunch of trucks in his career, and he drew that paint scheme out, and I think he had it on, I don't know, 4 or 5 different trucks, different colors, but same design. So yeah, that's gonna be my project. And then got replacement frame rails over here that I ordered from PG Adams, 5/16 thick, 24 foot long. So we're gonna swap them out, stick them in this truck. So we'll get rid of the aluminum and put in steel. And we have, like I said, I have a newer cutoff, a 2008 8-bag cutoff to put on the back. So anyway, I'll keep you posted. Thanks.